Science and Discovery, the Magic of Melting Chocolate. Once upon a time, in a bustling town known for its sweet treats, lived a young scientist named Maya. One sunny Monday morning, Maya stepped into her laboratory filled with jars, bubbling concoctions, and colorful test tubes. Today was not just an ordinary day. It was a science and discovery day. Maya had a special task: to study the magic of melting chocolate. She carefully picked up a bar from the pile, its wrapping paper rustling softly in her small hands. As she gazed at the bar, she wondered how something so solid could become liquid just by heating it. With a determined look on her face, Maya took the thermometer and placed it next to the chocolate bar. She carefully placed the bar on the stove's hot plate, watching as it began to melt slowly but surely. As the chocolate melted, Maya observed its transformation closely through her magnifying glass. She noted the change in texture, the smell, and how it flowed more smoothly than before. After several minutes of careful observation, Maya began to write down her findings in her notebook. She wrote about the temperature at which the chocolate started to melt, how long it took, and what she noticed during its transformation. Maya spent the rest of her day researching more about melting chocolate and temperature changes. She read several books on the subject, taking careful notes as she learned about solid and liquid states, phase transitions, and thermodynamics. By the end of the day, Maya had a breakthrough. She realized that chocolate melts when it reaches its melting point, the temperature at which its solid state changes to liquid. This discovery excited her, and she couldn't wait to share her findings with others. The next day, Maya shared her discovery with everyone in the town square. She explained how she studied the magic of melting chocolate and what she learned about temperature changes and phase transitions. The children were amazed by her findings, and they eagerly asked questions. After her presentation, Maya invited several children to join her in her laboratory to learn more about the magic of melting chocolate. She taught them how to conduct their own experiments and record their findings. The children were thrilled to be a part of this exciting adventure. Together they watched as the chocolate bars melted, taking note of the changes in texture, smell, and flow. They discussed what they observed and compared their findings, learning from one another. Once they had finished their experiments, Maya rewarded the children with a delicious chocolate treat she made herself. They laughed and chatted as they enjoyed their treats, knowing that they had learned something truly amazing about the world around them. Today, Maya taught us about the magic of melting chocolate and the science behind temperature changes. We learned that chocolate melts at a certain temperature and how it transforms from solid to liquid. This adventure was more than just learning. It was an exciting journey into the world of science.